Decide to wake up. I've earned your hope and faith of the curve on your face, that I'm the one you hold forever. If morning never comes or either one of us, then this I pray to you forever, to anything more. This story is for I'm anything for you. So leave yourself intact, 'cause I won't be coming back. In the praise to get these lips, I loved you. The morning will come, in the press of every kiss, with your head upon my chest, where I will adore you with every waking breath until you decide to wake up.